For many homeowners, the garage door is the most used entry point to the home, not to mention the largest. Having up-to-date information about who is accessing your garage at any given time can provide immense peace of mind. And being able to operate your garage door from your smart device is the ultimate convenience. Do both of these and more with Genie's Aladdin Connect smartphone connectivity. This Wi-Fi garage door opener gives you power over your home by monitoring your garage door status at all times. If your garage door is opening or closing, Aladdin Connect will alert you, whether the user is authorized or not. Aladdin Connect's security advantage is the sensor attached to the garage door itself, so if an intruder disengaged your system and manually opened your garage door, you would know about it. Aladdin Connect's smartphone connectivity is now even smarter, offering new time-based features. These include creating a virtual key, setting a close time for your door, and setting a time frame within which to close your door. This means you can use your garage door controller to provide temporary or permanent access to friends, relatives, or service repair workers. You can also ensure that your door gets closed each night by setting it to automatically close at whatever time you choose. You can also set the door to automatically close after it has been left open for a certain amount of time, giving you peace of mind if you're already on the road and can't remember if you closed the garage door or not. Plus, Aladdin Connect is also now compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for the ultimate all-around convenience and security. The Genie Aladdin Connect has a free downloadable app, is easy to install and set up, and increases safety by making your garage door smarter and you more aware. Get connected and stay connected with the Aladdin Connect. If you already have an existing garage door opener and are interested in updating it to become Wi-Fi compatible, consider the Aladdin Connect Smart Garage Door Opener that is backward compatible with most major garage door opener brands produced after 1993 that have safety sensors. Your Wi-Fi router must meet this specification: 802.11 B per gram, N, 2.4 GHz with WPA2 or WPA security. You must have your Wi-Fi home network name and password available to complete the setup. You will need to download the free Genie Aladdin Connect app onto your smart device and follow the app instructions to complete the setup of the Smart Garage Door Opener. Aladdin Connect Smart Garage Door Opener will work with Android versions 4.4 and higher, and Apple iOS 8 versions and higher. Important: the Genie Aladdin Connect Smart Garage Door Opener is compatible only with residential sectional garage doors. It is not compatible with one-piece garage doors. The Aladdin Connect Smart Garage Door Opener allows you to add up to 19 additional users with virtual keys, have a history that tells you who opens and closes the door, by name, if they are a virtual key user, and will allow you to schedule the door to close and integrate with Alexa to control your garage door by voice. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Wi-Fi enabled garage door. The Aladdin Connect garage door controller gives you the ability to monitor, open and close your garage door with your smartphone or smart device from anywhere. Also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Number 2. Get the smart security advantage. Using a sensor attached to the garage door, Aladdin Connect monitors the garage door's position, allowing you to be alerted when the door opens or closes, electronically or manually. Number 3. Control up to 3 garage doors. One door position sensor comes standard in this smartphone controller kit, but you can monitor up to 3 garage doors with additional door position sensors sold separately. Number 4. Automate door close times and create virtual keys. Aladdin Connect lets you schedule times to close your garage door as well as close the door after a certain length of time. You can also set up virtual keys for friends, neighbors, and relatives. Number 5. Peace of mind. Protect your home, your family, and your peace of mind with the Genie Aladdin Connect Smart Garage Door Opener. Open and close your garage door from anywhere by adding the Genie Smart Garage Door Opener to your current garage door opener system. The Aladdin Connect app is free to download and use with no added monthly subscription charges. Number 6. Security advantage. Genie Aladdin Connect Smart Garage Door Opener works via a Bluetooth connection with a door position sensor that attaches directly to the garage door. Security advantage allows you to know if your garage door is being opened or closed, manually and electronically. One Aladdin Connect Smart Garage Door Opener kit comes standard with one door position sensor to control one garage door. You can add up to 2 more door position sensors, sold separately, to control up to 3 total garage doors. Number 7. Notifications on smart devices. Aladdin Connect sends instant notifications to your smartphone, or most smartwatches, that alert you if your garage door is being opened or closed. Notifications are stored in an easy-to-access history. The history keeps a record of the last 100 open, close operations on a rolling basis. Number 8. Virtual keys. Add up to 19 virtual key users. The Genie Aladdin Connect Smart Garage Door Opener allows you to provide virtual keys to guests, friends, family, babysitters, pet walkers, and service repair workers. Also makes the Aladdin Connect perfect for Airbnbs or vacation homes to allow guests in and out. Aladdin Connect allows you to schedule the door to close at a specific time, or within a set time frame. Number 9. Compatible with voice control and smart home apps. Aladdin Connect Smart Garage Door Opener works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can have the garage door open and close with your voice. Also recently compatible with Yonomi, exclusively, and Control 4, so you can link multiple smart devices together for an entire smart home. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.